Alright, first lesson in our statistics chapter is going to be about finding measures of central tendency. Across the top of the page here are 3 measures of central tendency and then also another measure, if you take a look back a page, measures of center and then measures of variability. So the mean and the median are measures of center and the range is actually a measure of variability. The mode doesn't really talk to us too much about the center of things, but we do look at the mode to give us some information about data. If you take a look, this kind of explains to you what we need to do for all 4 of these things. So at this point, I would pause the video, read through those 4, and then we'll come back and do example 1. In example 1, it says the ages of employees at 2 different companies are shown below. So we are going to determine the mean, the median, the mode, and the ranges of the employees at both companies. So from the mean, the first thing that we have to do is add all the numbers together. So 22 plus 30 plus 31 plus 36 plus 38 plus 46 plus 49 plus 52. That'll give us a sum of 304. And there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 employees, so we'll divide by 8. And we get 38 to be our mean age. For our median, we need to put them in order. If you notice, that's already done for you. So we cross off 1 from either end as we try and work our way to the center. There is no center number, so we have to take 36 and 38, add them together, and divide by 2. And we get 37. For a mode, we look to see if any of the numbers actually repeat. There are none, so we say there is no mode. The last part is a range, so we take the highest, which is 52, and subtract the lowest, which is 22, and our range here is 30. For company B, we go ahead and add the ages, 48 plus 55, 67 plus 67 plus 69 plus 70 plus 75 plus 77. And we get a sum of 528. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 people. So we divide by 8. And our mean is 66. To get our median, we go and we try to work our way towards the middle. And you'll notice we'll be right here. So 67 plus 69 divided by 2, that's going to give us 68. The mode, are there any repeats? There's 67. And the range here would be the biggest, 77, minus the lowest, which is 48, for a range of 29. So the first question says, what is the difference between the means for the 2 companies? So the means are 66 and 38. So the difference would be doing a subtraction problem. And you are going to get a difference of 28 years, because remember we are talking ages. Is there a difference in the medians? So in this one, the median, you say yes, the median is 68, and this one is 37. So there's a 31-year difference in the median ages. So what can you conclude about the companies? Hopefully you're realizing that all these numbers are a lot higher, and these seem to be a little bit lower, especially our mean and our median. So I would say that in company B, the employees seem to be older. So employees at company B are older. On the next page, there's 2 examples here about talking about range. The table shows the last 5 days' prices of Apple stock at market opening. What is the range of stock prices over the 5 days? So to get a range, we need a high and we need a low. This looks like it would be our high value, and our low value looks like it happened here. So to get the range, we take the highest number minus the lowest. We get a range of $8.97. In example 3, the Weather Channel did a news video on the Siberian cold in January 2018. On January 14th, the low temperature was negative 75.3 degrees Fahrenheit, and the high temperature was negative 68.1 degrees Fahrenheit. What was the range of the high and low temperatures that day? P.S. If you're wondering, the all-time record for low temperature there is negative 89.8 degrees Fahrenheit, which happened on February 6th. That's the actual temperature, not even wind chill. So to get our range, we need our high number minus our low number. So here's your high, because that's actually the bigger number. So negative 68.1 minus our low, which is negative 75.3. And our difference, our range is 7.2 degrees Fahrenheit. So 7-degree difference was the change during the day.